Hey there. Hey there. I need to get my life together because this is just
not okay.
My room. Literally my bed. The blanket's hiding it all. I need to do my sheets, girl. I need to clean the fucking ground. I need to clean the ground. Like literally the ground is probably just stuck with hair and dust.
I don't want to look.
You know what's really funny? I ordered a vacuum cleaner the other day, okay?
That was a week ago.
It's still downstairs. I have not picked it up because I'm like,
what's the point picking it up? I'm literally not gonna vacuum the ground.
do you want to see my desk? I've been having anxiety.
Gee, I wonder why you have anxiety, Via.
Look at your fucking room. I'm literally filming this to force myself to clean my room because I've been back from Japan for 2 weeks now.
2 weeks!
And my room has been like this for 2 weeks. So what I need to do is that I need to wake up early. I need to wake up early and bam and get my shit. We're gonna be good. We're gonna slay. Okay, let's see if Via can wake up at 5 a.m. It's not even funny anymore. Like I really need to get my shit together because we need to get our room together, girl. Like what the fuck is that? What time is it right now? And just tonight, I was like,
you know what? I can't fucking fall asleep.
can this even be called a morning fucking routine?
If I didn't even fucking sleep.
I feel like I'm like not awake right now, but it's like I can't fall asleep. Okay, we're doing this. 5 a.m. morning routine. Chin pimples are the fucking worst. Like, what the frick? I can handle the cold as long as it's not windy. I'm ready to conquer the freaking day. Also, I need to take my vitamins. My vitamins. Oh my god. I've been taking some vitamins recently. Yeah, I'm like really trying to take care of my health, which is why I would like to introduce a sponsor of today's video, Cara. They basically offer like these personalized vitamin packs for you. And for me, I've been taking them consistently because I need to take care of my health. So Cara basically offers like a curated set of products that are designed to like work with research-backed ingredients. And they really just make taking your vitamins on the go very, very convenient with like these daily packs that you get. All I had to do was just to take like a short online quiz about my current lifestyle and also my health goals. They'll basically give you like doctor-backed recommendations. Okay, so one of the vitamins that I got was the vitamin B12. And I mainly got this one for energy support. It basically supports like your cognitive and nervous system health. And it also supports your energy metabolism. And at least for me, sometimes I would just feel very, very tired throughout the day. And it's like, I have stuff to get done. I can't feel tired throughout the day. So ever since I took these, I noticed that I have more energy throughout the day, which really makes me happy. And sometimes like just drinking coffee isn't enough. Okay, another vitamin I've been taking is this one, which is the vegan collagen skin. It basically just supports skin hydration and elasticity. Ever since I came back from traveling, my skin has just been especially bad. So ever since I started taking these vitamins, I noticed how my skin just feels more plump. Like, yeah, you should try your best to eat good stuff, but sometimes just having like vitamin packs to add on to food that you eat is really, really helpful, which is why I highly recommend you guys to check out Care of as well. And feel free to scan this QR code right here to take the Care of quiz to get your personalized vitamin packs. Feel free to use my code right here to get 50% off on your first order. Anyways, thank you Care of for sponsoring this video. Guys, I got locked out.
Oh my god.
You need keys to get into the laundry room. And then when I left the laundry room, when I was about to head upstairs, I remember, so I was like, where's my keys? And it was in the laundry room. Is anyone gonna show up here, swipe me in? And nobody did. I heard like a voice outside. Oh, people lived on the basement. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna go knock on a door. And this really nice girl, she opened the door for me.
Thank God.
As if not, oh, I did not know what I was gonna do, honestly. I love warm laundry. Let's go up and we have our therapy session. Hi there, hi there, hi there.
Oh my god.
Therapy is in like 4 minutes because right after therapy, I'm planning on just going straight to the cafe and I haven't had lunch, so I'm very hungry. I want to eat my lunch ASAP. I can feel myself getting a little tired. I'm very scared because yeah, I need to finish editing today. I'm really hoping that I do not fall asleep. And for those who don't know, I don't drink energy drinks. I don't like them. I just feel like they're kind of scary because it's like I don't know what's in them, right? Also, I don't know what to talk to my therapist about today.
Oh, I think I have some topics I want to talk about, sort of.
Oh, I'm getting tired, guys. This is so bad. It's not controllable. I'm sorry. Sort of, guy, if I'm not awake, punch me. No, I'm kidding. No, but for real, punch me. No, I'm kidding. Do you see me laughing? I'm tired, guys. I'm about to fall asleep. I called an Uber because like I can't do this. I'm about to fall asleep. Never pull an all-nighter, guys. Never ever pull an all-nighter. I swear to God. I think my Uber is here, guys. I think. Hey, hey, can you see me? Hey. Oh my god, the lighting's super bad. And at the cafe, there was no tofu banh. I'm vegetarian. Oh my god, guys, it came. Have you guys seen this camera before? This is very tiny, and I know a lot of people like it. You don't want to carry a big camera. It grabs a lot of attention. Oh my god, fits right into my palm. This camera literally shoots in wide lens, which this current camera does not do. This is definitely... Oh my, this is definitely not safe. Shut up. Wait, this is so freaking cute. Hold on, I'm gonna literally wear this right now. Wait, this is so cute. Wait, I love. I ordered 2? Wait, did I really? I'm so confused. When I order these, I can't return them because these are overseas. Returning them will be a lot of money. If you guys don't know, I also have a Depop. This suitcase right here next to me are literally clothes that I want to sell. I'm just so lazy to take pictures. I always save up these like zippy bags because like when I travel, storing like body wash so they don't leak or like shoes. My delivery has arrived and this thing was leaking everywhere. It leaked on my hand, but you know what? It is fine. So yums, you see, oh my god, you see that? Dipping it in. Oh man, I feel like a mukbanger right now. Should I make a mukbang channel, guys? Do you guys want to see me eat? What the fuck? Now I'm not even sleepy anymore. Should I just like not sleep then? Realize I need a quick nap, but at the same time, it's like I'm not falling asleep. This has been delivered to my doorstep for a while now, but I have not opened it. Yeah, I'm basically gonna use this to store some of my clothes because my room is not big. What the frick? What? I thought it would be double the size. Update. I just took all the photos of those clothing and I just listed them on Depop. And sometimes if I'll have like falsies that I want to give because I'll just have stuff, you know? It's currently 5:59, so basically 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna set my alarm at like 10:30, like a 4-hour-ish nap. I'm gonna wake up and continue editing. Oh my god. Let's just say that I'm very grateful I set an alarm. 10:39. If I didn't set it, I'd probably sleep till like forever. But when I woke up, it wasn't hard for me to wake up. And guys, I just ordered takeout because I'm hungry. I finally finished the video and it's currently being uploaded. You might be like,
Via, why did you decide to pull it on air? That's like so stupid.
when I don't sleep, I get very, very productive. I don't have any thoughts in my head, so I just do everything. At a specific time at night and the evening, I'm just like,
Okay, I can really just do anything right now.
all we have left on the agenda is we need to clean our room. I literally called an Uber, and on the Uber I was like,
Oh my god, where's my camera?
you guys are almost freaking lost. I'm gonna head to the Japanese bakery, get some desserts.
Ask me a question. How do you think of the weather today? Shit. So backwards. Can stop now. Hi guys, what did we think of this vlog? I just want to say that I think I accomplished a lot in this vlog. Like my room looks so freaking beautiful and clean when I see like those videos on YouTube, like
5 a.m. morning routine.
I'm like, how in the fuck are you waking up at 5 a.m?
But then also I'm a night owl.
Like, why can't I be both? Why can't I be both a night owl and also a morning owl? Morning bird. What is it called? Morning person?
What the fuck is that called?
Let me know what you guys think. I love reading your guys' sweet, kind comments because you guys are sweet, kind, beautiful people.
I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and until then, I will see you guys all very, very soon, okay? Love you guys. I'll see you very soon.